Welcome back to our Insights series on IT automation. Today, we're going to dive into the topic of application resource management, detailing what it is and how it fits in with matured IT automation practices. Let's get started. IT Automation Concepts Part 3: Application Resource Management. In any enterprise, resources drive performance, growth, and ultimately value. But managing these resources across an expanding tech landscape has become increasingly complex. Application Resource Management, or ARM, aims to streamline and optimize this process, ensuring that resources are used effectively to deliver high-quality performance while keeping costs in check. As enterprises scale, they face the challenge of managing resources across hybrid environments, legacy systems, cloud services, and microservices. ARM is about cutting through that complexity, using automation and intelligent management to make sure resources are precisely where they need to be at exactly the right time. So, what is application resource management? ARM is the practice of dynamically allocating resources to applications, based on real-time demand and predefined performance goals. ARM tools monitor applications and automatically adjust resources like CPU, memory, and storage, ensuring that performance is balanced and costs are optimized. In other words, ARM takes the guesswork out of resource allocation. Instead of static provisioning, where resources are overallocated just in case, ARM uses automation to make real-time adjustments. This adaptive approach not only improves efficiency, but also supports scalability by meeting demand without overspending on infrastructure. Here's where application resource management fits into the overall IT automation landscape. ARM plays a core role within a larger automation strategy. Integrated with observability and intelligent incident response, ARM enables organizations to manage resources proactively and address issues before they impact performance. Observability provides real-time insights into system health and demand patterns, allowing ARM to make smarter, data-driven decisions about resource allocation. This alignment creates a setup where the system can anticipate needs and scale resources preemptively rather than reactively. Together, ARM, observability, and intelligent incident response form a powerful automation stack that strengthens efficiency and resilience across the IT environment. Observability highlights potential bottlenecks and changes in demand. ARM addresses them by adjusting resources, and intelligent incident response acts quickly when incidents do arise. The result is a streamlined, adaptive approach to automation that keeps operations smooth, responsive, and prepared for whatever comes next. Let's break down the advantages of ARM, especially for enterprises managing complex distributed systems. First, there's cost optimization. One of the most immediate benefits of ARM is cost savings. Without ARM, enterprises often over-provision resources as a safeguard against performance issues. But this safety net approach leads to wasted resources and higher infrastructure costs. ARM's real-time allocation ensures resources are used efficiently, reducing waste and cutting down on operational expenses. When enterprises rely on ARM, they achieve more with less, redirecting savings to high-priority initiatives rather than unnecessary overhead. Next, let's talk performance stability. Inconsistent performance is a major issue for end users, and traditional static provisioning can struggle to keep up with fluctuating demand. ARM tools solve this by adapting to changes in real time, scaling resources up or down based on actual needs. This dynamic approach ensures applications maintain optimal performance, even during spikes in demand, without manual intervention. For enterprises focused on delivering high-quality experiences to customers, ARM provides the flexibility needed to meet these expectations without compromise. ARM also enables accelerated scalability. Enterprises increasingly rely on hybrid and multi-cloud strategies to support growth. With ARM, scaling isn't just possible, it's automated. As demand grows, ARM allocates additional resources seamlessly, enabling rapid scale-up without the need for manual configuration or the risk of lag in performance. This agility is especially important in industries where customer usage can spike suddenly, such as e-commerce or streaming services, allowing businesses to scale up or down as needed with confidence. Then there's hybrid flexibility. As enterprises move toward hybrid and multi-cloud strategies, ARM becomes an indispensable tool for managing resources fluidly across these diverse environments. ARM's intelligent allocation capabilities simplify the challenges of multi-platform integration, enabling enterprises to orchestrate resources seamlessly across on-premises, public, and private cloud environments. This adaptability allows organizations to maintain high performance and meet demand wherever it arises, without the typical friction associated with managing multiple systems. There's also increased operational focus. ARM's automated resource management frees IT teams from the repetitive tasks of monitoring, provisioning, and troubleshooting resource allocation, allowing them to concentrate on high-impact strategic initiatives. By alleviating manual oversight, ARM shifts operational focus away from maintenance and toward innovation, enabling IT leaders to drive meaningful projects that support business objectives that lead to more growth, productivity, and overall business resilience. And my personal favorite, intelligent adaptation. Advancements in AI are propelling ARM into a new era of intelligent resource management, where tools can make data-driven predictive adjustments in real time. By analyzing historical usage patterns and demand trends, AI-powered ARM solutions can anticipate shifts in resource needs before they arise, ensuring that applications always perform optimally without the need for manual intervention. As technology evolves, ARM evolves too, allowing it to offer a proactive, adaptive approach to resource management that aligns with the fast-paced demands of modern enterprise IT automation. With those advantages in mind, let's look at some real-world applications of ARM across a few industries. When organizations worldwide adopt ARM as more than just a concept, they find that it is a powerful, transformative solution for their needs. These real-world examples show just how impactful ARM can be when it comes to driving efficiency, cutting costs, and achieving high performance across complex environments and across industries worldwide. J.B. Hunt, a leader in transportation and logistics, adopted IBM Turbonomic for its hybrid cloud environment, optimizing resource allocation and scaling actions. Over the course of a year, ARM automation executed 2,000 resizing actions, saving over 650 hours of manual work. This improved collaboration between cloud operations and application teams, reduced waste, and freed up resources to focus on strategic initiatives like new cloud migrations. J.B. Hunt's ARM implementation demonstrates how automated resourcing in hybrid environments can reduce labor and increase productivity. Meanwhile, BlueIT leveraged IBM Turbonomic and IBM Instana to achieve their digital transformation goals while meeting sustainability benchmarks. ARM allowed BlueIT to reduce memory and CPU over-allocation by 10% for one client, cutting both costs and carbon footprint. In fact, they saw a 50% reduction in mean time to recovery by automating resource allocation. For BlueIT, ARM represents a sustainable approach to IT performance, showing that advanced automation can power business goals while also supporting environmental initiatives. Or look at Providence, a healthcare provider, which implemented IBM Turbonomic to manage resources in its cloud and hybrid environment during a rapid migration to Azure. By automating resource adjustments, Providence achieved over $2 million in cost savings, while making sure that critical healthcare applications maintained peak performance during high-demand periods. ARM became pivotal for Providence's large-scale cloud adoption, providing resilience, cost-effectiveness, and an optimized patient care experience through adaptive technology. These examples illustrate how ARM empowers organizations to reduce costs, enhance performance, and scale flexibly across diverse environments. Whether by improving efficiency in logistics, balancing sustainability in IT services, or supporting scalability in healthcare, ARM proves invaluable for meeting today's complex operational demands. So, what's the best way to get started with application resource management? For enterprises considering ARM, a phased approach to implementation is often the most effective. Starting with a pilot in a high-usage or critical area allows the team to measure impact, refine configurations, and assess how ARM performs under real conditions. Based on these insights, ARM can then be expanded across other applications and environments. Step 1. Identify key applications. Begin with applications that have high resource demands or variable usage patterns. These are often the applications that stand to gain the most from dynamic resource allocation. Step 2. Define performance metrics and goals. Clear metrics allow teams to measure the effectiveness of ARM in real terms. Establishing performance baselines and cost targets ensures that ARM delivers quantifiable benefits. Step 3. Configure and test automation. Setting up automation rules and testing them in live environments is essential. Fine-tuning these configurations ensures ARM meets both performance and cost objectives. Step 4. Monitor and adjust. Once ARM is operational, continuous monitoring and adjustments keep the system optimized as needs evolve. Now let's look at some common challenges and considerations for ARM. Like any strategic initiative, implementing ARM has its challenges. Here are a few considerations to keep in mind. Challenge 1. Complexity of hybrid environments. In a hybrid environment, ARM must manage resources across different platforms, each with its unique configurations and limitations. Seamless integration across cloud and on-prem environments is crucial. Challenge 2. Balancing cost and performance. The goal of ARM is to achieve both cost efficiency and performance stability. But these objectives sometimes conflict. Striking the right balance requires careful planning and ongoing adjustments. Challenge 3. Security and compliance. Resource automation adds complexity to security and compliance, especially when sensitive data or applications are involved. Ensuring that ARM practices comply with regulatory requirements is essential for risk management. Application resource management is a powerful component of enterprise automation, ensuring resources are allocated efficiently and adaptively. With the right ARM tools and strategy, enterprises can support their growth while keeping operations lean, agile, and cost-effective. In the next part of this series, we'll dive into intelligent incident response, the natural complement to application resource management. While ARM ensures resources are allocated efficiently based on demand, intelligent incidents response steps in to help handle unexpected issues, automating detection, diagnosis, and resolution to keep systems running smoothly. Together, ARM and intelligent incident response provide a powerful approach for managing both planned resource needs and unplanned incidents, enhancing reliability and responsiveness across your IT environment. If at any point you'd like to learn more about this concept series, please reach out to us at insights@c4genterprises.com or schedule a free consultation with the C4G team at c4genterprises.com/contact. And check out our blog at c4genterprises.com/blog to discover more insights from the world of technology. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll talk to you next time on the C4G Insights podcast.